It was my dream. My father was a crew member of a bomber during World War II. And I was born in a family of officers. This aircraft has no limitation in the terms of angle of attack flying and slow speed flying. No any limitation at all. Thrust vectoring aircraft to provide the moment to control the aircraft, to move it, not depending on speed, not depending on at which angle of attack aircraft is now flying. I'm flying since 1970 year. This is 1978, and one of things the pilot must be trained, included to keep yourself focused, concentrated, and once again to leave all emotions behind just before the flight. As you're ready to fight, the feeling is comparable. Maybe it's adrenaline, as you told me. I cannot see inside me. I can understand what's happening in my brain now and understand I'm ready or not. Everybody can do it if he wants, if he trained enough. So hopefully it was looking pretty good from the outside, from the aircraft.